Welcome to Auto Body Shop Academy. In this session, we're moving beyond the spray booth and looking at the engine of your success, the business of auto body operations. Running a shop is about more than just repairs. It's about systems, strategy, and service. The automotive refinishing industry is a multi-billion-dollar market, and it's growing. With a shortage of skilled technicians and a rising demand for both collision repair and high-end restorations, there has never been a better time to build a professional brand. But to win, you need to understand how the business actually works. Hello everyone, I'm Coach T, and I'll be your guide through this entire course. I've seen firsthand how a great technician can struggle if they don't have a solid business foundation. Today we're going to fix that. We'll cover everything from choosing your market niche to shop layout, pricing for profit, and building a reputation that brings customers back. Grab your notebooks and let's get started. The first step in your business journey is defining your niche. Collision repair offers high volume and consistent insurance work, but lower margins. Custom builds and classic restorations offer high margins and creative freedom, but require specialized skills and have longer project timelines. You need to decide which one fits your passion and your local market. Choosing a niche isn't just about what you like to do. It's about where the profit is. In a crowded city, collision might be the way to go. In a high-income area with a car culture, a restoration shop could be a gold mine. Whatever you choose, commit to being the absolute best in that specific category. Specialized knowledge is your greatest competitive advantage. Your shop layout is your workflow. A poorly designed facility creates bottlenecks, wastes time, and eats into your profits. You want a lean layout, meaning every vehicle moves through the shop in a logical progression from intake and teardown to bodywork, prep, paint, and finally, reassembly and polish. Every extra foot a technician has to walk is lost revenue. Efficiency is the difference between a shop that survives and one that thrives. Think about where your tools are stored, how your airlines are run, and where your mixing room is located. Minimize movement. The goal is to keep the technicians in the booth or at the car doing the work that generates the billable hours. If they're hunting for a tool, you're losing money. You can't do professional work without professional tools. Your biggest investments will be your spray booth and your air system. A high-quality booth ensures a clean finish and environmental compliance, while a powerful compressor is the heartbeat of your tools. Don't cut corners here. Cheap equipment will cost you more in rework and downtime in the long run. It's not just about buying the tools, it's about maintaining them. A moisture-filled airline will ruin a $5,000 paint job in seconds. A dirty booth filter will leave nibs in your clear coat. Part of your business operation must be a rigorous maintenance schedule. Treat your equipment like the high-precision machinery it is. Estimating is where you make or lose your profit. A professional estimate must account for every variable, not just the parts and the direct labor, but the paint materials, the shop supplies, and your overhead costs like rent and utilities. If you underestimate the time a repair takes, you are effectively paying the customer to fix their car. Transparency builds trust. When you provide a detailed, itemized quote, you show the customer exactly what they are paying for. Be honest about potential hidden damage, especially in restoration work. It's always better to underpromise and overdeliver than to hit a customer with a surprise bill at the end of the month. That's how you build a bad reputation. Don't be the cheapest shop in town. Cheap shops attract difficult customers and struggle to pay their bills. Instead, focus on value. Your pricing should reflect your skill level, your equipment quality, and the guarantee you provide. People are willing to pay a premium for peace of mind and a flawless finish. Aim for the top of the pyramid. Know your labor rate. Research what other shops in your area are charging, but also know your own costs. Your labor rate has to cover the technician's wage, their benefits, the shop's insurance, and leave room for the business to grow. If you aren't tracking your effective labor rate every week, you're flying blind. Data is your best friend in the office. In the auto body world, your work is your resume. High-quality before and after photos are your most powerful marketing tool. Post them on social media, show them to prospective clients, and build a digital portfolio. Beyond that, focus on Google reviews. In this business, word of mouth is everything. One unhappy customer can do a lot of damage, but one raving fan can bring in 5 new ones. Don't just show the finished car, show the process. People love seeing the craft, the welding, the sanding, the masking. It proves the quality of the work hidden under the paint. Share your story and your passion. When customers see the care you take with every repair, they aren't just buying a paint job, they're buying into your expertise. That's how you build a brand. Technical skill gets them in the door, but customer service keeps them coming back. The biggest complaint in this industry is lack of communication. Set realistic timelines and give regular updates, even if there's a delay. When the car is finished, deliver it clean and ready to drive. That final impression is what they'll remember when they talk to their friends. A customer for a collision repair might not need you again for years, but a restoration customer is a client for life. Treat every person who walks through that door like your most important account. Personal follow-ups after a week to see if they're happy with the work go a long way. In a business built on trust, your integrity is your most valuable asset. Finally, you must be a student of your finances. Many great shops fail because of poor cash flow management. Track your material costs carefully. Paint and supplies can quickly get out of control if you aren't monitoring waste. Use shop management software to stay on top of your accounts and ensure you're getting paid on time. A healthy shop is a profitable one. Operating a shop is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to build your systems now, while you're small, so they're ready for when you grow. Hire the right people, invest in the right gear, and never stop learning. Together, we've covered the foundation of a successful business. Now it's time to take these lessons and apply them to your own shop floor. Let's recap. To build a profitable shop, you must define your niche, optimize your workflow for efficiency, estimate with precision, and market your craft through social proof and excellent service. These are the pillars of the Automotive Academy philosophy. Master these, and the sky is the limit for your business. In our next lesson, we're getting back into the shop to look at the first physical step of any repair: vehicle inspection, cleaning, and preparation. We'll see you there. Welcome once again to Auto Body Shop Academy.